Hi, why don't you come on in? My name is Larry Newman. I'm an Ithaca attorney. We focus on DWI cases in upstate New York. Today I want to talk to you about prompt suspension law and clerical mistakes by the court. Now remember, the court has tons of forms to fill out, and many times we have part-time clerks and we have part-time judges, and sometimes the judge fills out all the paperwork, sometimes the clerk helps filling out the paperwork, sometimes they both are filling out the paperwork, so they're trying to figure out how to fill out the paperwork. The paperwork has little tiny boxes on it. The problem is, with a DWI case, if you check off the wrong boxes on this form or check off no boxes on this form, you might wind up in a lot of trouble. So today I wanted to talk to you about one of the most common clerical errors that causes the most grief and pain to people with DWI cases. And the reason for that is there's three main boxes on what's called a prompt suspension pending prosecution paperwork. It's the initial form the court fills out to suspend your driver's license privileges upon your initial appearance in the court. So there's three main boxes on that form. The first box says that you had a prior 1192, you have a prior DWI within 5 years. If they check that box, that little box gets checked off. That means that you're ineligible for any hardship license privilege and you're ineligible for any conditional license privilege. In other words, you are SOL for all license privileges while your case is pending completely, and that means months and months of no license privileges potentially through until the end of your case. So the problem is, imagine if they don't check any boxes. Well, it defaults to say that you had a prior DWI in 5 years, and that box is automatically thought to be the one that forgot to be checked. So that's number one. The second box is an important box for them to check, and the reason for that is this. It states that you don't have any prior DWIs, and the reason that they're suspending driver's license privileges is because you have a .08 breath test or blood test for this DWI, and that's the reason for the prompt suspension of your driving privileges. The last box on the sheet is if someone has a permit or has a beginner's type license, then they have to suspend for any reason whatsoever on those types of cases because there's zero tolerance. But even those people would be eligible for a conditional license. This is the whole key. We want to be eligible within 30 days initial appearance for a conditional driver's license privilege within the state of New York, because that is going to be all the privileges that you're going to have until your case is fully resolved. Remember, checking off boxes on forms is an important aspect, and checking the boxes that have been checked on the form is an important aspect of making sure that your DWI case is proceeding properly so that you have full license privileges from the beginning of the case till the end of your case. If you have questions about your DWI case in upstate New York, these are the types of cases that we handle. Either give us a call or shoot us an email. I'd be more than happy to discuss it with you. And thanks for watching this video.